Today I'll unbox my new keyboard. Its packing is very decent and very simple. First of all, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, my old keyboard is very good to me, but this new one is very best for me. Let's see what's the manual. Oh, it's a user manual over here. Okay. Therefore, now see some barcodes here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, really bullshit. Really, it's very ridiculous. Oh, what? It's yes.
I ordered a controller. I need a new PS4 controller, and I already have one. It's a wired one. Basically, it's just kind of the cheap brand. So I went ahead and I found a nice used one. I mean, it looks like it's barely been used. I ordered it, and it just came in. Got my handy dandy knife. Got my handy dandy package. Gonna slice. Oh, jeez. Ouch. Oh, watch your fingers. All right, so this is something kind of to expect, and I hope I'm not just kind of speaking out my butt here. A lot of times people don't save the original packaging. Right now, I received a box for a Linksys AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. The big reveal. Ta-da! I knew it. There's a controller. People do that all the time. So, this pretty much looks like my controller. Except for it's green. This is not right. This is like exactly like my controller. This is like the same brand and everything. And I mean, this is just a charging wire, I think. But this isn't the Microsoft brand. This is an off-brand. Yeah, this is the wrong brand. And it's wired. It's a wired controller. It says wired controller for Xbox One. This isn't even a PS4 controller.
I decided to splurge $1,000 onto a new drone, right? So it's got a camera, as easy as that. So it's called the Phantom 2. $1,000. I want to see what's up in this box, eh? So, oh man, wait. Okay, so I'm not sure what happened. If there was like a mix-up in the packaging or something, but I just want you guys to have a look at this. Like, what is this? It's a fucking PlayStation 2 and like ponies.
Today I am unboxing an EVGA 1080 Ti support. It's 11 gigabytes of virtual VRAM, DDR-X 5, along with DirectX 12. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and open it. So, I'm a little bit nervous about this because the eBay seller had a relatively low amount of feedback. It literally is just the EVGA. There is our graphics card. Take it out. Just place that there. Yep, so I'm gonna spin this up for you guys here. It's meant to be the best of the EVGA line. We've got our EVGA 8-pin adapter here, along with another one, and a few I/O shields. You guys over here should still be able to see what I'm doing generally with the box here. So we've got our EVGA logo here, we've got our slip nonetheless, so let's go ahead and get into this and there's no graphics card. The seal was broken on the bag that the graphics card came in. They put the bag in and 2 water bottles that are... They literally just gave me an empty box with 2 water bottles in it.
And I just got this delivery. Here is my name printed on that, you can see. Let's get into it. Gotta be extra careful because... Here we go. I wish you could hear my heartbeat. Another box inside it. Okay. Here we go. It's not Beats. Enoch Music Bisus. It's kind of, it seems like a Chinese company. Okay, come on, I can't wait to open it up. Okay, there are some warranty cards or something, but it's in Chinese. I mean, you can't read it out. This is their app. Okay. It's empty. And this hand tray is inside this. I got scammed, man.
Just got my Nintendo Switch with Mario Kart. I'm really excited about it because all my friends have these consoles. They have like PS4, they have Xbox One, they even have Nintendo Switch also, but I never had one. So like I've been saving money for like a year. And then I found out on one website that there is a Nintendo Switch for 100 euros. Now, I know this sounds weird, but yeah, I found it for 100 euros, brand new, dude. The seller said brand new, and I'm so excited, dude. I immediately ordered it. It was like free even delivery. So 100 euros and free delivery, of course I'm gonna buy it. It comes with Mario Kart. I haven't opened it. I just moved this out because, but yeah, it should come with Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So one more game that I got. He said that it's gonna be delivered in like 5 days. It came in like 2 weeks or something. But doesn't matter. I'm in. And I know that consoles are kinda, you know, heavy, but I'm excited this one is light. In the back. Alright, I'm ready. Alright, what? Wait. What the hell is that? What is all this? Is that an Xbox controller? Dude, that's straight up an Xbox controller. What the hell? And a mirror? What? This fake, it doesn't even have the X here. It doesn't have the X, dude. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
I ordered this from eBay last week. Let's get started. This is the GeForce 6 game. GeForce 6 game. The backside, I mentioned all the details. Well, let's get started. It's brand new. Everything's new. Let's go. This is the series, so I'm sure this is new, original. So you can see this or see here. You can see some scratches here. Oh, so straight. Oh. Let's take a second to unbox this first. Oh, wow! Driver seat, manual. Everything's so original. All the cables here, but I'm not going to unbox that. All cables. Here's that mama. Oh, wow! The cool thing is, it's not heavy, man. It's not heavy. Oh. What the heck? I got scanned, man. I got scanned.